If you need to order multiple items on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video right now and see how you get it done without any hassle. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to pay your Chinese supplier on Pinduoduo, IDOV, or Chinese or 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce platform, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app or any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. In some cases, we may want to buy more than one item from a particular store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And as a result of that, quite a lot of people make a lot of mistakes as regards to this. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can simply order for more than one product from a single store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for product. Then there are so many ways to search for products on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. You can come to the top right here, click on here, and this allows you to type product name right here, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can use this camera icon, which stands for image search. Whichever way you use to search for the product, the next thing we want to do is to select a particular store. Let's say, for instance, this particular store right here, I'm going to buy different colors of this particular speaker right here. What we want to do is to simply click on the product link, and it's going to simply open up like so. Next thing we want to do here is to simply scroll down and check on the product detail from the store right here. You can see the more you scroll down, the more you see different product picture as far as this is concerned. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on here to add the product to cart. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to add the product to cart. So I'm going to click on here now, and this is going to pump up. Then here you have products of different sizes and the like. So you can simply click on here and add red to cart. Click on here and add black to cart. Click on here and add white to cart. Click on here and add another cart. And click on here and add another cart. Let's say, for instance, I need to add black color in I'm going to add like black color right here, 2 pieces. I'm going to click on here and to add it to 1, 2, just like so. Once you add it to cart, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to proceed, and then from here you can simply add as many as possible other color into cart. After you have successfully add everything to cart, next thing you need to do is to proceed to your profile. So I'm going to click on here now and then go back and proceed to my profile. So for us to visit our profile, click on here to proceed. Then from the point right here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to check on your cart. Then you have all the products you have in your cart right here, just like what you see right there. This is the product store that we are able to add to cart. So I am able to add about 5 different color of 2 pieces into cart. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to select all the products. So having selected all the products, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, just like what you see right here, I have different 5 color right here in different quantity of 2 each, just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you add your delivery address from the top right here. Then having added your delivery address, then simply scroll down right here and choose your means of payment. On Pinduoduo, there are so many ways to pay on Pinduoduo right here. You can either pay with your WeChat or pay with your friend or pay with your MasterCard or Visa card for foreign user. And at the same time, you can also invite someone to pay for you. And last option right here, which is Alipay. And I'm going to make use of my Alipay to make a payment straight up to the So I'm going to use my Alipay right here to make a payment to the supplier straight up. What we want to do is to click on here to proceed. Then here I'm going to enter my payment password. Just like so, payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to done. So you can see payment alert right here. It's that simple. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I close this particular pop-up right here. And I'm going to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to buy more than one pieces of goods or items from a single store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.